Welcome to 20 Car. Brace yourself, for the 2025 Maserati MC20 isn't just a car, it's a revolution wrapped in carbon fiber and sculpted by the gods of speed. Maserati's Italian masterpiece blends jaw-dropping aesthetics with exhilarating performance to create a ride that turns roads into runways. Exterior elegance. The MC20 is a rolling piece of art, with its butterfly doors opening like a theater curtain to a spectacle of Italian flair. The aerodynamic curves and aggressive front grille scream power, while the laser-sharp LED headlights cast a futuristic glow. Every inch whispers Maserati's heritage, but with a bold leap into tomorrow. Cockpit Marvels. Slide inside, and you're greeted by a cockpit that's both luxurious and tech-savvy. Alcantara, carbon fiber, and minimalistic elegance dominate the interior. The 10-inch touchscreen in the center feels like a pilot's control panel, giving you command over a plethora of features with a touch. Heart of a beast. Under the hood lies a 3.0 liters twin-turbo V6 engine delivering a staggering 621 horsepower. The MC20 rockets from 0 to 100 kilometers height in a mere 2.9 seconds, rivaling the likes of Ferrari 296 GTB and Porsche 911 Turbo S. Ownership insights. Priced at $230,000, the MC20 carries premium maintenance and insurance costs. Yet, its depreciation is surprisingly gentle, given its exotic appeal. Driving nirvana. On the road, it feels alive, sharp, responsive, and unrelentingly thrilling. It grips curves like a lover and devours straights like a predator. Pros and cons. Pros: stunning design, phenomenal speed, and Maserati prestige. Cons: tight interior space and premium costs.